Welcome students and friends. In this video I'm going to talk about expressions with absolute value. So for this type we have something like x plus 3 minus 1, or something like x minus 4 plus 3, or something like absolute value of x, or something like x plus 2, or something like x minus 2. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. So let's say you have something like x, absolute value of x. What this means is that whatever x is, you're gonna take is gonna be, if it's gonna be as follows: if x is negative, then absolute value of x is equal to positive x, whatever x is. And then if x is positive, then absolute value of x is equal to positive x as well. Let's look at this more in depth. Okay, let's say we could have a table, absolute value of x, and we have 0, we have 1, negative 1. So we have absolute value of 0, it's 0, since 0 is neither positive or negative, it's just 0. And then we have absolute value of 1, which is 1, and then absolute value of negative 1, which is, so this is negative inside, so it becomes positive 1. Let's say you have something like so the variable here was x. Let's say you have something like x plus 2, and then the variable is x, and let's create a table. Let's say you have 0, 1, negative 1, then x plus 2. Okay, so 0 plus 2, that's equal to 2, which is equal to 2. And then we have 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3, which is equal to 3. Then we have negative 1 plus 2, and then that becomes positive 1 inside the absolute value, and that becomes 1. Let's do one more example. Let's say you have something like x minus 5. So the variable is x. Let's create a table. x minus 5, then we have 0, let's say we have 1, negative 1, then we have 0 minus 5, absolute value, which is equal to negative 5 inside the absolute value, and then that becomes 5. Then we have 1 minus 5, absolute value, that becomes minus 4, and that becomes positive 4. Then we have negative 1 minus 5, which is equal to negative 6, which is equal to 6. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.